What makes us drawn to certain people? Have you ever walked into a room and been immediately drawn to someone? Or met someone for the first time and felt an instant connection? We all have. But what is it that makes us drawn to certain people? Think of it like a magnet. Some people have a magnetic quality that draws us in, while others don't. But what is it that creates that magnetic pull? One factor is warmth. People who are warm and welcoming are more likely to draw us in than those who are cold or distant. Another factor is confidence. People who are confident and self-assured are more likely to attract us than those who are insecure or unsure of themselves. A good sense of humor is also a factor. People who can make us laugh and bring joy to our lives are more likely to draw us in than those who are serious or negative. And finally, a unique perspective can be a draw. People who have a different way of looking at the world can be fascinating and intriguing. But what happens when someone has all of these qualities? When someone is warm, confident, funny, and has a unique perspective. That's when the magnetic pull is strongest. But here's the thing, we're all drawn to different qualities in different people. What draws one person in may not draw another person in. So, what does this mean? It means that there's no one-size-fits-all answer to what makes us drawn to certain people. It's a complex mix of factors that varies from person to person. But one thing is clear, the people we're drawn to often become our friends, our partners, and our mentors. They enrich our lives and help us grow as individuals. So, how can we become the kind of person that others are drawn to? By cultivating warmth, confidence, humor, and a unique perspective. By being ourselves and embracing our individuality. And by surrounding ourselves with people who inspire us, challenge us, and support us. So, the next time you walk into a room and feel that magnetic pull, remember that it's not just about the other person. It's about you, too. You have qualities that draw others in, and you have the power to cultivate those qualities and become the kind of person that others are drawn to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and inspiration on living your best life.